Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today I will be releasing my first video of the December series as promised. So today we will be making a learning video in which we will learn about Python. Python is basically a programming language which is used in many applications such as artificial intelligence or AI. Now, Python is considered a high-level language because of its easy understandability. For example, if you take, for example, the binary system, then you'll notice that it's all zeros and ones and you can't really understand it. That's why it's called low-level programming language. So Python is a very high-level programming language and is therefore very easy to learn. So let me walk you through the basic programming of Python. Okay guys, so I have opened my PyCharm, which is a Python IDE. So we are going to create a new file. New Python file. We'll name it test. So if you guys wanna change the name, you can go ahead and do whatever you want. Okay. So now we're gonna start our Python journey with a simple print statement. So if you've not seen my QBasic video, which I uploaded quite back, you see it somewhere over here. There I explained the basic computer processes like the IPO process, which is basically input process output. So you have your keyboard, for example, which inputs or gives the data to the processor inside the computer. This processor processes the data and then it makes the screen output the data or show the data. Here, the interpreter, what it's gonna do is it's gonna go over this line of code and it's gonna see, okay, so first it has print. So print, what does print do? Print executes the line of code on the screen. So we know that. So it's like, okay, I have to print whatever follows on the screen. Now we have the brackets to signify whatever is in the brackets. Whatever is in the brackets, it has to be executed on the screen. Now, if there are any double quotation marks, as you can see here, what the computer recognizes or what Python recognizes is, okay, so whatever's in those two double quotation marks is exactly what I have to execute on the screen. So you might not get this at first. You might be confused. What is this? What do you mean? What do you mean by this? You'll get to know later on. Simple print statement. So it's gonna print hi on the screen. Let's just run this and see. Oops, wrong one. Okay, so now let's run this. Yeah, so let's run this. So we get hi on the screen. So this is a basic print statement. Now we're gonna move to something a little difficult. So you wanna ask the user something. User meaning the person who's in front of the computer writing the program or experiencing the program. For example, me. I'm the user. So how do you do that? How do you ask a question to the user? You use an input statement. So it's gonna output something on the screen. It's just like a print statement, but it asks for the user's response. So the user has to input his response. That's why it's called an input statement. Now, what's gonna happen to that response? It has to be stored somewhere, right? Yeah, you gotta be able to do something with it. So that's why if you know maths, if you know algebra, you'll know something about variables. Variables are, well, vary. You don't know what they are. So we're gonna, for example, keep a variable a. So what a is gonna do is a is gonna store that input, the user's input response. So a is equal to whatever the response is, right? So we're gonna keep an input statement. So we're gonna write input, and then same thing, same process as the print statement, because it has to essentially print it. So brackets, double quotation marks, what is your name? Oops. What is your name? I prefer keeping a space after your input statement, so it gives a little bit of space to type. So okay, so we have these two. So it's gonna print height, and then a is equal to input, what is your name? Okay, what does that do? I don't know. Okay, so input, what is your name? So first you can take input as a print statement and a storage command. So it's gonna print what is your name. It's gonna print what is your name. So basically a is equal to, it's gonna store plus print what is your name. Okay, so this is basically what this means. So it's gonna print what is your name. As you can see, you learned print statement right now, and then then the user is made to make a response. So that response will be stored by the variable a. So okay, so now if I run this, what is your name? What is your name? My name is the Meercat. The Meercat. YT. So we didn't do anything. That's the end of the program. So it's gonna end it. Obviously, it's gonna end it. So now, what's gonna happen? Is we want to print. For example, we want to print the user's response, right? So print. Now this is gonna show you what I meant in the beginning about the difference between using these double quotation marks and the regular brackets. So when you do that, you get this, print a. So it's not going to print the letter a, it's going to print the data stored in the variable a. So I'm going to print this. So it's going to ask me what's my name. Meercat YT. It's going to print Meercat YTY. It's taking the response, storing it in that value variable a, and it's going to print a, which is basically that variable. Next thing which I am going to teach you is the if statement. Hey guys, so I hope you liked that tutorial. If you like my tutorial and you want to continue learning, I will be posting another video tomorrow or as soon as possible. So stay tuned for that, and hope you like, share, and subscribe so I know what you like. And my goal is 20 subs by the end of 2021. And any suggestions for future videos or for the December series can be accepted in the comment section down below. Again, I really appreciate your guys' support, and I hope it keeps continuing. Thank you guys, and peace.